Hello, welcome to my channel. This place shall be talking about how we can get paid by taking simple action. Shall be talking about the review, how we can make money without selling anything. So you can listen to this channel, you can get more about this information here. Let's listen.
So, what if you could make money without selling anything? All you have to do is get a lead or a visitor to take action, whether it be filling out a form or signing up on a list or a push notification or taking a specific action. This is what we call CPA. And in short, CPA stands for cost per action. It simply means that you're going to get paid to get people to take actions. Now, CPA isn't a new business by any means, but it can be very tough, especially for newbies. In other words, generating profit from CPA offers isn't as simple as just setting up a traffic campaign, pointing it towards an offer with the hopes that it's going to convert. In fact, it's extremely hard unless you know what you're doing. Now, the sad truth is that many gurus oversell the dream of an easy business model. The reality is that you have to spend a good wad of cash until you find a winning campaign. But what if there was an easier way? Now there is, and it's not just another BS business model. This is an evolution of the CPA market, and it's what we call smart CPA offers. They convert really well, even for newbies dipping in their feet. So this is going to be a 8-part step-by-step video course where we're going to talk about this specific topic, how to profit from CPA networks without having to be a paid traffic pro. So here's a quick videos overview of what's inside this video course. We've got video number 1, which is the introduction, and I'm going to give you a brief overview of the concept of smart CPA offers. Video number 2 is the good and the bad. So we'll talk about the good of CPA networks and the bad of CPA networks and what you need to watch out for. And of course, from that point, video number 3, we'll talk about how to protect yourself. And of course, video number 4, we'll talk about how to increase your approval rate because let's be honest, not every CPA network that you apply to, you're going to get accepted. But following these step-by-step process, you have a higher chance of getting approved. Now, there's no 100% guarantee, but it increases that percentage. And of course, video number 5, we'll talk about the evolution of CPA. Video number 6, we'll talk about CPA networks that buy your traffic. So number 6 is kind of a bonus in terms of monetization. And video number 7, we'll talk about traffic sources. Video number 8, we'll talk about pop ads traffic source. So go ahead and grab this course and learn how to profit from smart CPA offers.
So we heard about the review here, what the course has in stock for us. Let's go to offer votes. Offer votes. Offer votes. Then check for different, yeah. Here we can check different CPA offers here, different affiliate network, different CPA offers. Basically, we don't have to do anything here to get paid. You see, business loan, payday loans. So let's talk about, for example, let's talk about email summit. Email summit. So basically here, you look at all the offers here. Okay, these different companies here, this affiliate network will just pay you $70, $60, $50 for you just to get someone to submit an email. So as easy as that. Just to submit an email, we pay such amount of money. So, so it's better we just have to. It's better we have. It's just better we just click on the link below to learn more. Because the truth is that these offers now, not all these network will accept you. All of them will not accept you. Nextbase, ADTS, Visa, Spons, they won't accept you. We'll be looking at it, let me just go and sign up so that I can just tell people to get their email and I'll get paid. It's as simple as that. But the major thing you have to do is you have to get them, refer them to this site. But how can these people accept you? These people can only accept you when you know the tactics, the techniques below. So for you to learn more, you have to click on the link below to learn more how you can get access to all this, to how you can promote all these offers here. I can promote, let's talk about coupon. Talking about coupon now, coupon, let's see how much they're willing to pay us. Okay, $10, $73, 70, 56, 30, just for someone to fill coupon code. You're not selling anything to them. It's just for you to get someone to fill all this coupon code, nothing more. So basically, I think any of us can do this. Let's start it. So the truth is, for you to really learn this, you have to click on the link below to know how to do all these things. Thank you. Like this video, comment on the section below, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.